hari abantu bamwe bagira umuco wo kuvuga ngo turenzeho urenzaho ariko ukarengereza ku gikomere.
There are those who tend to say, let's just cover this and forget it. No, you cannot forget it because you are covering a wound.
Uwo ni umuntu wa kabiri.
That's a second person.
Umuntu wa gatatu ni umwuka imbere mu muntu.
And the third is within the spirit.
Hariya niyo haba Imana.
There the Lord dwells.
Hariya ntihaba logique, ntihaba ubwenge.
There's no logic.
Hariya hakora kwizera.
Only faith works.
Nta shuri ryigisha kwizera.
And there is no school that teaches faith.
Ni uguhishurirwa.
It's a revelation.
Ukibaza batese bimeze gute?
And you question, what is this?
Donc uko abantu bagiye badekuvura ibintu muri iyi si,
as people discover things in the world,
ntabwo byazanwaga n'ubwenge.
It was not discovered logically.
Umunyabwenge witwa Archimede,
and a scientist called Archimede,
yikubise muri baignoire.
He fell into the tub.
Noneho amazi arazamuka.
When the water splitted,
abona ubunini bwe no kugwa mu mazi birangana n'umuvuduko w'amazi wazamutse.
He saw the volume of the water that splashed equal to the weight of his body.
Aratangara cyane.
He got shocked.
Avuga ijambo.
And he said this.
Eureka.
Say, Eureka.
Ndavumbuye.
I have discovered.
Iyo ikintu kimanutse perpendiculaire, iyo le corps, iyo ikintu kimanutse kigwa hasi mu mazi, uko amazi azamutse arangana n'amase n'uburemere bwa cya kintu. Aho niho havuye loi de relativité, nibyo bakoresheje abanyabwenge batangaje. Donc kuvumbura kwa Archimede.
And he said, so as the volume of the water that splashed equal to the mass of his body. And there, this man, he said, this is where he brought the law of relativity law.
Bivuze ngo,
meaning this,
yaravumbuye.
He discovered.
Ntabwo yavumbuye kubera ubwenge bwe.
He did not discover because of his logics.
Kwari ukwizera imbere indani iyo revelation twita guhishurirwa.
But it was a revelation that he got within himself.
Rero niba umuntu agizwe rero n'umubiri n'ubugingo n'umwuka.
So if a man is made up by the body, the soul and the spirit,
igihugu nacyo kigizwe n'ibice bitatu.
So a nation also has these three parts.
Igihugu kigizwe n'ibice bitatu.
The nation has these three parts.
Igihugu gifite umubiri.
The nation has the physic.
Igihugu kigira ubugingo.
A nation has the soul.
Igihugu kigira umwuka.
And a nation has a spirit.